All right.
Oh, sorry about that, man.
Turn it back to your forecast. And I mean, good. I don't like to look back on things because we want to look forward when it comes to your forecast. But it seems like to me, sorry, fixing the collar. It seems like to me, triple digits. And I think you said the hottest feeling day we've seen in 15 years?
15 years. And I just was confirming this with the National Weather Service at Greenville, Spartanburg. So the technical peak heat index we had was 109.6. The peak heat index we had in 2010 was 109.7. So we have not been this hot or this much of a hot real feel since then. And it does look like this would be around the top 10 as well for the highest heat index in Charlotte history. Now that only goes back to 1940, but still. And officially, we made up for Tuesday's lack thereof. We hit 100 degrees. Oh, and on top of that, this is also the highest dew point. So that means yesterday was the most muggy, the hottest, and the hottest feeling day of the year. But let's move on. We don't want to get back to that, right? Well, we could get back to a closer range. Not saying that we're going to hit 100 degrees, and I'm also not saying that you're going to hit 110. But we are going to have a chance of getting to around that 105 mark yet again as we work our way through the afternoon. We are seeing some of those heat indices that are generally jumping to about that range, and I think it's really going to be about the middle of the afternoon. So even though you're seeing a heat index range anywhere from about that 100 to 105 mark, I think it's really about 2 to 5 that we're going to have the highest values. Now notice how these numbers quickly drop off. 96, 91, 90. That would end our heat advisory. I truly think it's the middle of the afternoon that you have to be most weather alert for that possibility. We are mainly looking at that for a chance for more clouds and storms. Here's the deal though. We have a low chance for severe storms, but I think that we're pretty much storm free for most of the afternoon. We see our first signs of a storm right around the foothills, Taylorsville over to Caldwell County by about noon. Still nothing really right around 3. These things start to flourish as we work our way into the evening. So if Charlotte does see a storm, I think it's primarily going to be more of an evening event overall, maybe a few of those overnight showers, but this doesn't look to be anything major. Now heading into Friday, Friday's actually trending a little bit more up. Not saying it's more of a severe potential, but it looks like things are a little bit more scattered as we're working our way close to the weekend. And then Saturday looks like our rain chances are going to be far below this. So all in all, I would say that there's still a chance for a stray severe storm today. Tomorrow looks to be a slightly better chance, but then heading through the weekend, we're just going to have the usual end of the day pop-up scattered showers and thunderstorms overall. And as for our lows, they're going to be a lot better than what they did yesterday. Yesterday, we started off in the upper 70s. Well, we will get back to about the mid 70s roughly on Monday, but then we actually see things get down to around 70 degrees, so a little bit closer to where we should be. So all in all, today is going to be a chance for storms, but I think most of the day is going to be staying dry and things are trending a little bit better. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Today is the hottest going forward, not the hottest of the week because yesterday smashed everything. We're back to the lower 90s. I'm telling you, when we get to the end of this, 89 degrees on Wednesday will never feel that good. So we're back to the lower 90s to the upper 80s, aka where we should be to end the month of June and begin July. Whew, almost done.